Welcome back to Not Mob Talker. I join Nina from Sanity Not Included. So I don't need to say my name. Okay, I'm gonna say it. My name is Mark Angelo O. Rosario. So you know it now. So this is Nina from Sanity Not Included. There she is. And I'm sorry I didn't draw this season 1 and season 2. But don't worry, I drew Nina from season 3 and season 4. Dun, 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 dun. So if you didn't watch the I Draw Mob Talker, watch it on my channel. Or everywhere you can find it. So bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and favorite my freaking videos. And I didn't make videos, I just copied. So just one thing, and just one, I'm gonna miss you guys, not you, all of my classmates in SPIS, Second Philippine International School. I'm gonna miss you, classmates. So bye.